Hi, my name is Rishabh Saxena and I'm working as a marketing manager at the NDTV Group. At Waves, we are here for last couple of days. Yeah, really enjoying the vibe.
I'm Amok Dusad. I head content for Amazon MX Player. I think kudos to the Maharashtra government to really put this together. It's been a seamless experience for last 2 days.
My name is Mahima Kaul and I'm Director of Global Affairs at Netflix. I think Waves is a wonderful platform. The government has really taken an interest in the media and entertainment sector and put this amazing opportunity together for talent, for technology and for policy making to come together to try and understand how can we take the Indian media and entertainment industry to the world. It's fantastic.